Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the richness of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today's word is accused. It's a C1 level noun that refers to a person who is charged with a crime. This word is often used in formal or legal contexts, making it important for advanced English learners to understand and use correctly. To start, let's break it down. When we say someone is the accused, we mean they are officially blamed or charged with committing a crime. This word often appears in discussions about law or court cases. For example, in a trial, the accused has the right to defend themselves against the charges brought against them. Now, let's explore some synonyms. A synonym for accused is defendant, which also refers to someone facing legal charges. For example, the defendant pleaded not guilty. Another synonym is suspect, although it's slightly different because a suspect is someone believed to have committed a crime but hasn't necessarily been charged. For example, the police arrested the suspect after gathering evidence. For antonyms, we could use victim, which refers to someone who has suffered harm or wrongdoing. For instance, the victim testified in court about what happened. Another antonym is plaintiff, which refers to the person who brings a case against someone else. For example, the plaintiff argued that the accused was responsible for the damages. In everyday life, the word accused might come up in news reports or conversations about legal matters. You might hear something like, "The accused is awaiting trial next month," or "The rights of the accused are protected by the Constitution." While the word itself is formal, it's good to be familiar with it for understanding news, movies, or discussions about justice. Here are a few examples of how to use accused in sentences. The accused maintained their innocence throughout the trial. Lawyers for the accused requested additional time to review the evidence. The judge reminded the jury that the accused is innocent until proven guilty. To wrap up, we've learned that accused is a noun referring to someone charged with a crime. We've explored its synonyms like defendant and suspect, and its antonyms like victim and plaintiff. Understanding this word can help you navigate legal discussions and better comprehend formal contexts. Thank you so much for listening to this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps more people discover the show. Don't forget to share your own sentence using accused in the comments below. I'm Alex, and I can't wait to learn another word with you next time.